for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos.
Hey everybody, welcome back. I told you that the next time I was on here it would be with an 8-string, and that's exactly what I have for you. This is the R-458 WH Fanfret. It is an 8-string guitar by our favorite Harley Benton. So let's get this open up. So got our usual fanfare here with silica gel, my favorite snack. Chords, my favorite noodles. And my least favorite noodle, 2 rubber bands. So, this is going to be a very thick guitar because we got to keep 8 whole strings here. Oh, there's more snacks in the bottom of this bag. I feel them. Let's get all this landfill off. And we got our little tag that tells us that we got something from Harley Benton and that we're special. Your style, your gear. Since 1998. I didn't know they lasted that long. It's an awesome white color, gloss white. Would have preferred if it were satin, you know, matte satin kind of finish. And we got a maple neck, basswood body. We got some high output pickups, but there was somebody who I had heard said that these are not like super high output, but we're putting that to the test. And we have multi-scaling, we have an individual bridge system. So for intonation up here and down here really, and up here, and we have 24 frets. So we got a big thick neck that we can slide our hands up around, and I have to use my whole hand to cover the thing. And I got big hands. Like I can go from the 1st to 7th, but we got 1 volume, 1 tone, 3-way switch, and that's pretty much it. Someone else also had a problem where they only got 1 Jackson tuner on theirs, which I thought was really weird. And this one doesn't come with any, so they got a special edition, I guess. But we'll get this tuned up, or tuned down, actually, and we'll show you how it sounds. Hey, we're back. We got it all set up in our low tuning. This is going to be, I believe, in double drop D, actually. So it's going to be for those lower and then highers. This is kind of still not a standard tuning for this. Standard tuning, where I believe is F sharp, B, E, A, D, G, B, E, like basically standard, but with 2 lower strings. But this is what we're using for today. And I'm going to go through the pickups for you and give you a little riff that I made up like 5 minutes ago. And we'll do that real quick. So right now we're on the neck, and it sounds a little bit like... I don't like that this kind of gets muddy down here. Like, it shouldn't be getting as muddy as it is. It should be sounding very... Like, it doesn't get muddy when I do single notes. I've heard that, but single notes, it sounds good. Just... But, it gets really muddy with chords. Like, for some reason, these pickups just can't handle chords. Like, you can handle that perfectly fine. You can do that. But as soon as I start adding a fret onto it, the chord gets very thin. Like, and it doesn't really sound as prominent as it probably should. But we'll move on to in the middle. And let's go. See, like, I don't know if y'all could hear that or notice that, but I can definitely notice that that doesn't sound super, like, clear at all. And I have the tone turned up, I have the volume turned up. That doesn't sound as clear as I probably should be hearing out of an 8th string. Because I've listened to 8 strings, and they sound very, like that clearness the whole time.
I wonder if it might sound different through the Fender LT25 Rumble.
I wouldn't want to put it through a bass amp just because it has a couple of bass strings, because then the rest of it, you know.
Well,
but I guess
I'm not the expert on metal here, and you know, to tell you the truth, neither are you an expert on metal, but we're doing the best we can with what we got, and you're trying to learn. So everybody understands that. We'll do what we can.
Well, I'm given as much expertise as I know about the sound of a guitar, right? Seeing as I've been playing them for a while now. I do like this this bridge, so let's get into the bridge now. Still a little muddy, but out of all of the settings, I find that one the best, personally. Having held it for also like 5 minutes. So, I'm gonna get myself a little better situated. I'll come right back to you, and you'll hear what I have to show. Hey, welcome back. We got the guitar ready, and I'm gonna play for y'all The Only Thing They Fear Is You from the Doom Eternal soundtrack, written by Mick Gordon.
Hey folks, Dan Ryan here. Today we are looking at this Harley Benton R-458 WH Fanfret. And the reason it is called a Fanfret is because the fans kind of do this from somewhere around the center of the neck. I don't know if you can see that.
The frets, you mean?
Yes. You'll see that the frets, you start here somewhere in the middle, and the high frets are fanned this way, the low frets are fanned this way. It's still perfectly in tune from what I can tell. So I'm not sure what the theory behind it is. Maybe somebody who does know can leave a comment. But
well, most of us basically know nothing about 8-string guitars or Fanfrets, but
yeah.
But you're going to play one.
Yeah. And I'm cheating because the low note is an F sharp, so I make sure I'm playing a song that's in F sharp. So if nothing else, I can just hit that note periodically, and it'll be in the key. So, and today we're doing the Elevated Jam track, Delicate Soulful Groove backing track in F sharp. So let's see how that goes. Well, Patrick's already done all the pickups and the appearance and everything, so I'm just going to play something for you this time, and here we go. So there you have it. The Harley Benton R-458 something MVHW Fanfret. Sorry. Kind of dark in here with these lights. So,
Yeah, I think the guitar did that.
it's a very pretty guitar, and it plays quite well. Although obviously you got to get used to the idea that there's 2 extra strings on here, and you know, for a guitar player like me, you know, kind of a old style guitar player, this is just getting down into bass player territory. I'd expect most bass players that I played with to say, you know, why did you do that and don't play that anymore? But you know, if you're doing metal and you want that, you know, that chugga sound, this is one way to get it. So anyway, I'm Dan Ryan. Leo Ryan's behind the camera, and we hope that you will like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to be reminded of our future videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.